Hello, this is Mr. Galvez, your math teacher. Today we're going to continue learning some new topics. The topic that we're going to learn today is addition. Okay, first of all, we need to know what is addition. Well, addition is the operation to add or collect two or more quantities. The numbers to add are called addends, and the result is the sum or total. As you may see here, I have two numbers, the number 42 and the number 23. Those two numbers, those two amounts are the ones that I'm going to add. So that's what you call addends. The first addend, the second addend. Okay? In Spanish, we usually say sumandos. El primer sumando, el segundo sumando. And then the result, okay, we call it sum or we call it total. Lo podemos llamar suma o total, okay, que es el resultado. It is the result. So, one more time, what is to add? Addition is an operation to add or collect two or more quantities. La suma es una operación para recoger o sumar dos o más cantidades. Okay. En este caso, aquí estamos sumando dos cantidades. Las cantidades que sumamos se llaman sumandos. We call them addends. Okay, and the result we call it sum or total. Okay, very good. So where can you find this topic? You're gonna find it in your books in page 32. Okay, you have to go to page 32. As you may see here, okay, the topic says addition with two or three addends, and we have a case here with a boy which is called Emilio, and he says, my bag has a total of 4 plus 2 balls. How many balls do you think he has inside his bag? This is a bag. Inside the bag there are balls, okay, like the ones that you use to play soccer. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balls does he has? 6. And then we have another case which is with Paulina, and she says, in my bag there are a total of 2 plus 7 balls. So if we put 7, which is the bigger number, plus 2, and we count it, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has 9 balls in her bag. So as you may see here, this is what I told you already. What is the definition of an addition? In the next page, you're going to find some additions. Okay, as you may see here, in some additions, they are adding two quantities, 15 plus 15, two addends. But in this one, they have 3 addends. They have number 2, number 3, and number 5. They are adding 3 different numbers. So what are you going to do in this exercise? You're going to add all the numbers that are there. Okay, so look at this. 2 plus 3 plus 5. How much is that? Okay, so I have an example here. I'm going to help you with it. I have it over here. So as you may see here, we have 2 plus 3 plus 5. If you want to add with lines, you can do it. If you want to add with your fingers, do it. If you can do it mentally, that is even better. So you just need to do it. So we have 2, we have 3, and we have 5. 3, 4, 5. And then you count it all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much is that? 10. And that is going to be the result. In the next one that we have 15. We have 15. We are adding 15 plus 15. 15 plus 15, it's equal to 30. Okay, to 30. Then we're going to learn how to place them in a different way. Then we have another addition, which is 8 plus 1 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. And in the last one that we have 27, we have 27 plus 3. 27 is the big number. You have to put that number in your mind. Say in your mind, 27. And then you put 3 in your fingers, 27. After 27, 28, 29, 30. How much is that? 30. As you may see here, some of the results are the same. We have a 30 here, we have another 30 here, we have a number 10 here, and we have a number 10 here. In the book, what are you going to do? If you get 10 and then in another addition you get 10 and they have the same result, for instance 2 plus 3 plus 5, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. You have to color the two of them with the same color. All the results that are the same, you have to color with the same color. If you want to color them blue, color them blue. If you want to color them red, color them red. As you may see here, we have an exercise. Okay, and the addition is not placed horizontally. Look, horizontally from one side to the other. Okay, this is, I'm sorry, we have two different additions here. Look at this. We have these additions and we have these additions. They are the same. Look, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. These additions are placed vertically. Okay, they are vertical additions. These two additions are horizontally placed. Okay, they are horizontal addition. So these are horizontal and these ones are, what did I say before? They are vertical, right? Vertical. Okay, so vertical. Okay, you start from top to bottom, and then we have the horizontal addition that you start from one side to the other. So let's try to solve the additions then. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in total we have 6. Then we have another one, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, let's try it. 5 in your mind and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. In total we have 8. If you want to do it differently, as I told you before, you can count with your fingers, you can use colors, you can use lines in a notebook. For instance, the same additions, but we're gonna do it with lines. 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 1, plus 2, 1, 2. And now let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. How much is that? 6. Then we have another addition. 4, 3, and 1. Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a number 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we have number 1. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much is that? 8. The sum, the result is 8. So I hope you have understood how to add this. We have been doing this in the classroom as well. And just try to practice at home. We're gonna try to solve the exercises here. For instance, here you have number 3, okay, which is number 3. We have number 1, we have a plus, and then we have a number 2. Let's add them all. 3 plus 1, oh mister, that is equals to 4. And 4 plus 2, that is equals to 6. You can do it that way, okay? You add 2 of the number first. If you want to write it in the side, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, do not do it, okay? 3 plus 1, 4, plus 2, 6. Very easy to add this. And now we have an exercise here, okay? We have an exercise. Look at what it says, the exercise. How many books did Pablo have if he placed 5 books on the first shelf, 2 on the second shelf, and 8 on the third shelf? So now look at this. I have an example over here. This is a shelf, okay, for books. In the first floor, okay, I start here on the top, okay, because you usually start adding from the top. So he put 5 in one of the shelves, he put 2 in the second shelf, and he put 8 in the last shelf. So I place the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we need to add it. Let's see. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much is that? 15. The result is going to be 15. And this is the way you add horizontal or vertical additions of one digit. Thank you very much then.